thought about making a quick video about how to measure CFC when you are trying to measure sand, gravel, and cement, etc. We normally call it CFD, like CFD. Balut safety gimana sih? Cement safety gimana sih? Safety gimana sih? Gimana safety? We always hear this CFT, but out here, at least, nobody actually knows the true meaning of what's a CFC and how you measure it. So today I would like to make a quick video about how to measure CFC when you are using sand, gravel, and cement. So there's going to be a lot of people out there on the internet telling you how to calculate CFC, different formulas, and a whole bunch of numbers that you need to calculate on. You don't need all those formulas and numbers. All you need to understand is what is a CFD. CFC means cubic feet, and what it means is the height, breadth, and length of a particular measurement is 1 feet in all directions, which means you got a height 1 feet, length 1 feet, and breadth 1 feet. Simple as that. That's what you call a CFD, cubic feet. And in order to measure all the sand and gravels that you need, you don't need any particular formulas, no numbers, no mathematics required. It's very simple. Just do like me. Just build a measuring bucket for 1 cubic feet. So keep watching the video and learn how to measure CFD. Simple and easy. There you go. Now I have 1 CFD bucket and I can use it and measure all my sand and gravel anytime I want, easy. And I'm not an asshole. I'm not gonna leave the video here. I am going to show you the measurements of this box just to prove you. And for the measurements, you have to measure the interior of the box, because whatever sand and gravel you're going to measure is going to be inside this box. So it should not be on the outside, it should be on the inside. Here you can see 1 foot, that is length, and about breadth. I will show you the measuring. That also you can see, or let me show you in the middle. That is also 1 feet. So total we have length 1 feet, breadth 1 feet. And what about the height of the box? It goes in. There you go. It's right here. 1 feet. So this box bucket is 1 CFD. So whatever you put it in here up to the top and level it out, that's going to be 1 CFD of whatever it is, sand or gravel, anything you want to measure. So guys, I hope this was easy to understand and simple for you. Next time if you want to measure in CFD, just build one just like me, and it's going to be hassle-free and it's going to be very easy for you. Good luck.